So this is a homework for page 133 for L'Hopital's rule for notes day 18. The number 47 is a limit problem. So the limit as x goes to 0 of tan pi x over x. Okay, so this is, if I plug in 0, I'm going to get 0 over 0, so I can apply L'Hopital's rule. I have the condition. Okay, now this one here, although we could apply L'Hopital's rule, it really looks, we could actually break it down like this. Sine of pi x over x times 1 over cos pi x. Okay, so this one, we know that this works out to be pi times the pi times x is 0, so cosine of 0 is 1. So cosine of, cosine of 0 is 1, so we get 1 over 1. So this should be pi. But we're going to apply L'Hopital's. Okay, so limit as x goes to 0, we end up with secant squared pi x. Chain rule, so times pi all over 1. I can plug 0 into this expression. Okay, so we get, when I evaluate this is going to be pi times secant of 0, which is 1 squared over 1. So again, we get pi. Okay, so both cases we get the limit as pi. So the answer is, looks like D. Okay, D was the answer for number 47. Okay, so number 48 looks like this. Number 48 says limit of x squared of sine 1 over x as x goes to infinity. Okay, when I work this out, I'm going to end up with, this is sine of 0, so we end up with infinity squared times 0. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to write this as a limit as x goes to infinity of sine 1 over x. There's our 0, and in the denominator, we're going to get 1 over x squared. Okay, so now we have our 0 over 0 condition. I'm going to apply L'Hopital's. So I end up with the limit as x goes to infinity. This is going to be cosine 1 over x times, that's the chain rule, derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. The derivative of that is going to be negative 2 over x cubed. Okay, so this can simplify out. We end up with limit as x goes to infinity. I'm going to put the negatives are going to cancel. I'm going to end up with 1/2. The x squareds are going to cancel, so I'm going to end up with x in the numerator times cosine of 1 over x, which is cosine of 0. So plugging this in, the cosine of 0 is going to be 1. We're going to end up with infinity over 2 times cosine of 0, which is 1. So that's going to be equal to infinity. So in this case here, it looks like the answer here for number 41 is C. Okay, it's going to be infinity.